Hi, my name is Jack Dom, and here's my 15112 term project. It's called EasyCube. I wrote this program using only Python and tkinter. The three-dimensional graphics are generated with the create polygon in tkinter and some basic knowledge about matrix operation. The screen displayed to you right now is the home screen of my program. Let's begin with the instruction page. So this program will guide you through all the fundamental steps and basic formulas to solve a Rubik's Cube. The program has three major sections: the tutorial section where you can learn the formulas, the try section where you can solve a randomly generated Rubik's Cube on your own, and the solve for you section where you can input your own unsolved cube and let the program show you how to solve it. If you are new to Rubik's Cube, you can start with the tutorial part. In this section, you can learn the basic formulas to solve a Rubik's Cube level by level. There's other advanced formulas, but in my program I will just introduce the basic and easiest formulas. You will see the formulas on the left side and explanation on the right by clicking the explanation button. The R, L, U, D, F, or B in the formula means rotating right, left, up, down, front, or back face of the cube 90 degrees clockwise. If there's a lowercase I after a face, it means counterclockwise rotation. You can press space to view the demonstration of the formula and press space again to reset the cube. Level 0 is basically about some basic knowledge about a Rubik's Cube. For example, it introduces different pieces: centerpiece, corner piece, edge piece, and 6 different faces: the right, left, front, back, up, and down. In level 1, it officially starts the process of solving a Rubik's Cube. You can see the goal of the current step and the formula on the left and explanation button on the right. Say if you don't understand what this step is doing, you can click the explanation and it will show you what this part is doing and what are something that you want to pay attention to. And say if you don't understand the formula, you can press space to demonstrate how the formula works, and after it's done you can press a space again to reset the cube. You can always jump to other levels by clicking the button on the left. For example, if you already know how to solve level 1 and level 2, you can go to the most complicated level 3. If you master all the formulas, you can go to the try section of the program and try to test your Rubik's Cube skill. In this section, you can use your mouse to drag the cube, and you can follow the key list to rotate aside, and you can always go back to your home screen and view the tutorial again. Let's begin with clicking the random button. It will generate 100 random moves, and afterwards it's your turn to solve the cube. I will just demonstrate how the rotation works because I don't have time to solve this cube. You can follow the key list. Say if you want to rotate the right side, then you find center white and the key is Q, then you press Q again. Then if you want to rotate it clockwise, then you press right. If you want to rotate it counterclockwise, then you press left. Say if you want to rotate the green side, then you press D and follow the key list. Okay, I will go to the last part of my program, the solve for you part. So in this section, you can import your own unsolved cube and let the program solve it for you. So the way to import your own cube is by clicking the color at the top left corner, and then click a corresponding piece on the square shown in the middle of the screen. I have a shuffled Rubik's cube in my hands, and when you import your Rubik's cube, try to follow the direction shown on the right. This means the current face is green, and the up is red, the down is orange, the left is white, and the right is yellow. So I'm just gonna go ahead and import my Rubik's cube. And once the face is filled with all the colors, the next button will appear, and you can click the next button to go to the next face. Make sure you follow the direction again. So and the next button will appear again, and here's the third face. And next. Next. And here's the last face. And after you fill all 6 faces, it will show the generate button, and you can click it and it will display your cube. Now you can place the space bar to let the program run the solving process, and you can just follow the movements. If you want to pause it, you can just place the space again and it will pause, and you can see different faces of your cube, and you can place space again to continue the solving. If you think it's too slow, then you can press the right arrow to speed it up, and also you can press the left arrow to slow it down if you cannot follow the movements. I will just speed it up so that it can run faster to solve it. That's probably the fastest that I can go. And just be patient and wait for the program to be done. As you can see now, I think it's working on the 3rd level, and we're close. Alright. You can always drag and see the different faces when it's solving the cube. And we are almost done. Yay! And this concludes my term project. Thanks for watching.